Captain Cap William Kennedy. Today is going to be a training video for everyone in the Carrier Air Wing 8. Let's get started. We're going to do everything today, from taking off, landing, starting up, and how to communicate with your crew in the sky. Like this little chuckle man right here. In this section of the video, we're going to show you why the F-14 Tomcat is totally tubular and how to start it.
Oh shit.
Let's get started. This is the F-14. This is a pilot. And this is my plane. Let's get started with the startup. Did you get it? I'm now going to show you how to start up an F-14 and what certain things do. This right here, this is a throttle. I think it's pretty obvious what it does. It controls your engine speed. Wow. Impressive. It's pretty awesome, right? It's pretty epic. Or as you guys would say, rad. This is your stick. It controls the orientation of your aircraft. It does the yaw and the roll. These are your pedals. They control your aircraft's axis like this. We're just going to leave that in. This is the landing gear. You put this up when you're in the air because you're not going to be landing in the air. I would like to see you try. This is the hook. You put it down so you can catch the big wires on the carrier deck. Here's your displays. You can flip these levers on the display to turn on your display and your HUD.
I hit my Oculus on my fucking doorknob whenever I lean forward.
Here's the ammo, the fuel, RPMs, speed, altitude, and compass. And that's all you really need to know about the F-14 Tomcat cockpit. Now let's start it up. To begin the startup procedure, you're going to start with all your switches in the proper position for startup. You're going to start by turning on your oxygen. Then you're going to turn on your lights and your air conditioning. You're going to need that. When you're ready, you're going to close your canopy. We will not be doing that here. I will crush my cameraman.
What does this do?
Don't.
You start preparing the aircraft by asking your ground crew to connect the ground power unit.
It's a missile launcher.
Once connected, we don't talk about what's going on over there. Once connected, you can finally start beginning your startup sequence. A lot of starts. Set up your startup and begin your startup. Victory 200 to ground. Connect the hover cart. Connect the hover cart up to your Tomcat and begin startup by turning on your air starter and turning your engine to right engine crank. Once your engine is starting to crank, you'll add fuel to your engine. Repeat that process for the left engine. Now that your aircraft is started, you can do your final checks, like checking the radar, uncaging your avionics, and checking your TACAN, and activating your avionics systems as shown here. And that's how you start your F-14. Isn't that awesome, rad, and totally golden, guys? You're going to do this talking point. You're going to basically introduce them to the next section of how to launch.
Okay. hello. Welcome back. And here. Damn it!
Yeah. Ander.
Oh.
All right. Welcome to Launching Off Deck. Welcome to the next part of your training. How to launch the Tomcat off the deck. Let's get started. Get in, kid. In the back. We're now going to follow the marshal's commands. We're going to go as he says.
Back.
Yep.
We're going to add power
Wait, nearly there.
when he says to.
You don't even look like you're on the thingy.
And we're locked in.
That's what she said.
We're now going to watch the marshal as he launches us off.
So, Wings, why you got all the missiles back there? What you doing?
Signature move, no big deal.
Your Marshal?
All right, wings out. We're going to bring our wings out so we can actually launch. Look at them fly.
Ah, little wings. Goodbye, little
We're going to bring our flaps out.
flaps.
And we're almost ready
We got flaps.
for launch.
On board.
We're going to add power to the engines. Full power. Wipe out our flight controls. Give him a nice salute. And fly Navy. And that's how you launch off a catapult. Put up your gear and flaps, and that's how. We've gone in for 2 bolters. If you know me, I'm pretty well known for not landing properly. Here we are. On glide slope. Cut power. Head to full power. And that's a trap. And that's how you land.